Well, the Maharashtra Mahabharat continues after the explosive spying charge where the Maharashtra Congress President Nana Patole accused the ruling Mahavikas Aghadi government in Maharashtra of spying on him and other leaders of his party. The Congress chief Nana Patole goes soft on the alliance partners. Sharad Pawar and Uddhav Thackeray have in fact issued a strong retort to Nana Patole, and is that what has really prompted him to retreat in a certain sense? All of those are extremely interesting political developments that are taking place. A whole host of political reactions coming into this big story. Let's listen in.
शिवसेना और बीजेपी ने जिस तरह से देश को तबाही करने का जो काम शुरू किया है उसका विरोध हम लोग कर रहे हैं। आज महंगाई जिस तरह से ऊपर चली गई, बेरोजगारी बढ़ गई, किसान का प्रश्न खड़ा हुआ है, गरीबों के प्रश्न खड़े हुए हैं, चाइना जैसा देश हमारे पे हमला करने के लिए तैयार बैठा हुआ है। और ऐसे सब स्थिति में बीजेपी जो रोज राजकारण कर रही है और देश को बर्बाद कर रही है, उसके विरोध में हमारी लड़ाई है। हमारी लड़ाई कोई शिवसेना और राष्ट्रवादी के विरोध में नहीं है। केंद्र सरकार जिस तरह से डीजल, पेट्रोल, गैस के रेट रोज बढ़ाते,
बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, देश में बढ़ना चाहिए तो हम सब खुश रहेंगे कि प्रिंसिपल अपोजिशन पार्टी है कांग्रेस, उनका प्रभाव अगर बढ़ेगा तो बीजेपी का प्रभाव घटेगा। तो सोनिया गांधी जी हो, राहुल गांधी जी हो या प्रियंका जी हो, तो नाना पटोले जी का मॉडल कौन सा है प्रभाव बढ़ाने का, वो मॉडल को थोड़ा रिसर्च करना पड़ेगा। और देश में प्रभाव बढ़ाने के लिए कांग्रेस का नाना पटोले जी को राष्ट्रीय जिम्मेदारी अगर मिलती है तो देश में कांग्रेस का प्रभाव बढ़ेगा। कोई खलबली वगैरह नहीं मचे। देखिए, 3 अलग पार्टी है और अपने अपने पार्टी बढ़ाने की कोशिश हम सब लोग करते हैं। जैसे कि हमने कहा है कि हम सरकार एक साथ चलाते हैं, हम 3 पार्टी एक साथ नहीं चलाते।
We are joined by ex-CM Prithviraj Chavan and a senior Congress leader. Sir, yesterday Nawab Malik said that Nana Patole is not probably aware and he should take, information from someone like Ashok Chavan, from you, about this whole spying issue that has been raised by him.
No, I can't comment on individual comments of various leaders. Whatever issues are there are going to be discussed in the party meeting which is going to happen just now.
Which will also be about Nana Patole and his regular statement?
I don't know. It will be decided by the party in charge to what issues are discussed. We have elections, forthcoming elections in Mumbai Corporation, other corporations and Jilla Parishad. We have to make sure whether our preparations for fighting those elections are complete or what else can be done.
So will Congress go solo as Mr. Patole has been saying?
No. So there are 2 issues. Fighting local body elections is a different issue. Each constituent of the district unit in the state can recommend to the High Command as to we want to fight the local body election, the Jilla Parishad election, the corporation election separately or together. And that call will be taken, and usually High Command accepts those views. But as far as it comes to Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha, that's a later part and that's always done by High Command.
So
Lok Sabha is much far.
Why are these repeated statements coming from?
No, he is trying to motivate the Congress workers. His task is to strengthen the Congress party, which he is trying to do in his own way.
So there are no differences within the MVA partners?
No, there are no differences in the MVA partners at all.
And Mr. Sharad Pawar also yesterday said that he doesn't want to comment on...
No, I can't comment on individual comments of leaders. They are quite competent to say what they want to do. I don't have to analyze what they say.
Okay. Thank you so much for talking to us.